How to turn on or turn off context auto backup on the Samsung Galaxy S24 series. First, tap on the home button to return back to the home screen. And from the home screen, swipe down at the top. Then tap on the settings icon. Next, in the settings page, scroll down. Then tap on accounts and backup. Next, in here, you want to tap on backup data in the Samsung Cloud section. And then we go down and tap on contacts. Tap on the toggle button to turn off or switch on contacts auto backup. Once this is turned on, the phone will periodically automatically backup data. And that's it. Finally, you can tap on the home button to go back to the home screen. Thank you for watching this video. Please like and subscribe to my channel for more videos.